This is a 2009 Chevrolet Malibu. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a 4-wheel independent suspension, cargo tie-downs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, dusk sensing headlights, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 43,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Andy Mohr Chevrolet is the place to find new Chevrolet cars as well as pre-owned cars in Indianapolis. You can visit our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Visit Andy Mohr Chevrolet today at 2712 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohr-chevrolet.com.